friends who have great skills. You know, like nunchuck skills, bow hunting skills, computer hacking skills.
Yeah, that is usually the way it goes. They like guys with skills. You got it.
A liger. It's pretty much my favorite animal. It's like a lion and a tiger mixed. Known for its skills and magic.
What is a liger?
So me and you are pretty much friends by now, right?
Yeah, we're friends. Who's that? Hello?
You think it's kind of warm in here? Vote for Pedro.
Who is that guy?
If you vote for me, all of your wildest dreams will come true.
Can you go now, please? Thank you.
You think it's kind of warm in here? You think people will vote for me? Is he hot? He's a sledgehammer. Vote for Pedro. You think people will vote for me? You think it's kind of warm in here? If you vote for me, all of your wildest dreams will come true.
I caught you a delicious bass.
That's cool. I like bass. Do you like bass?
I caught you a delicious bass.